What's up guys, I'm Kyle. Welcome back to another video. Today we have our first legitimate snowfall. Now the roads aren't salted yet and I look like crap. I just woke up, but I want to take the Subi out and see if we can maybe play around in the little bit of snow that we had. It should be just enough that I can slide a little bit because I am on my track tires still. So let's go out and have some fun. Started in a little bit. We're gonna let it warm up. Turn my heat on. What's up? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. There's like no snow and just on the slicks. Holy crap, you guys. It is slick. I just locked up the brakes, barely even pressing. We're gonna need to be really careful stopping. Holy cow, it's slick. I think I'm gonna go ahead and lock the diffs. Track car versus the snow. Lots of engine braking. Come on, baby. I wasn't even trying to do that. No e-brake tricks. Holy shit, I almost sent it in the ditch. snow falling with the leaves still on the trees. It's only October. It's just crazy. This just looks gorgeous. Track car versus snow. I'm in like second gear, spinning all four, but this has been a blast. I have no traction whatsoever. All four are just spinning constantly. Oh my gosh. There we go, that was smooth. Flick it back. Yes! Here come the Cyclones. If I can get her to... Oh, come on. Turn, you pig. Alright guys, that's all I had planned for today's video. GoPro is about dead, so I gotta say peace out a little earlier than I wanted to. Drifting in the snow with this car is so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more car content. Thanks guys.